Everyone, it's time for the Barely Bucket Straw for 2013. The reason that we will watch the games to the bitter end. And pulling the first brackets for Alex Knowles. He has bracket number, I think this is a 6. It has Ohio State, Marquette, ACLU, Creighton, Iowa State, etc. So that's Alex Knowles.
And these are in reverse order of people signing up.
Did you hear Gary say that? All right. For Tim, he has bracket number 3 with Kansas, St. Louis, UNLV. I'm trying to read it backwards. Pittsburgh, Missouri, Mississippi, etc. So Tim gets bracket number 3. Let's see, this looks like this must be Greg's. So let's pick a good one for Greg. Okay, Gregaruni, you get, I believe, bracket number 8 with Duke, New Mexico, Butler, San Diego State, Colorado, Minnesota, which, by the way, was predicted this morning on NPR as possibly beating UCLA. So, Greg, you get bracket 8. Then it appears that Andy Beecher is next. And for Andy, he will get bracket number 4 with Louisville, Kansas State, VCU, North Carolina State, Villanova, Carolina, or California, somebody, and the rest of them. So, Andy Beecher, you're number 4. Now, Gary, what the heck does that mean? Is it Sherwood or Mark next?
Sherwood.
Sherwood. Okay, Sherwood, you have bracket number 1 with Indiana, Michigan, Wisconsin. Sherwood, I'm going to be cheering for you. Colorado State, Wichita State, Oregon, etc. on Mr. Sherwood's bracket. So you're number 1. Now Mark Bosch, a newbie in this bracket series, gets bracket number 7 with Georgetown, Michigan State, Arizona, Illinois, Oklahoma, St. Mary's, etc. And I think I heard St. Mary's being favorably talked about too this morning on NPR. So, Bill, way down in Florida, what's Bill gonna get? Let's see. Bill gets bracket number 2 with, the favored spoilers, Gonzaga, who no longer is going to be a secret. Syracuse, Oklahoma State, North Carolina, Temple, Akron, and a bunch of other teams too. So, Bill, you are bracket number 2. And that leaves Gary Knowles with, must be, I'm guessing, a 5. Yes, team bracket 5. Miami of Florida, Memphis, Notre Dame, Cincinnati. Now, this would be an interesting bracket because it would put Gary in a similar mind bent as Obama with Florida. So, with that, have fun. Down in the fourth quarter against Boston, and then last night, greatest